The patented Lee E10 guide bushing is unique and offers extremely precise joint fit adjustments. The barrel of the E-bush is not round, but rather it's elliptical in shape. Because of this, as the E-bush is turned from its mid-5 reference mark, the active diameter of the E-bush increases or decreases, resulting in a tighter or looser joint. The diameter of the E-bush is widest at the number 10 setting. At this setting, the effective diameter of the E10 guide bushing is 5/8 of an inch. Rotating the E-bush from the number 10 setting to the 0 setting reduces the effective diameter by 20/1000ths of an inch. As the RTJ400 template moves over the E-bush, more wood is removed, resulting in wider sockets and narrower pins. Each increment on the E-bush changes the effective diameter by 2/1000ths of an inch. Half an increment changes the fit by an incredible 1/1000th of an inch. By starting at the mid-setting of 5, you can quickly route larger or smaller pins and sockets until the perfect fit is achieved. Record your settings in the user guide and on the quick reference strip for easy repeatability the next time you route dovetails or box joints on the RTJ400. For more information on the RTJ400 and other Lee products, go to leejigs.com. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.